Is your car shaking or feeling like it is about to stall every time you stop at a red light, but runs perfectly fine once you hit the gas? That rough idle is incredibly frustrating, and if you have pulled the code P2189, your car is trying to tell you that it is starving for fuel while it sits idling. This code translates to system too lean at idle on bank 2. Let's break that down. Your engine is split into banks, and bank 2 is simply the side that does not have the number 1 cylinder. Being lean means there is too much air getting in and not enough fuel to match it. It's like trying to keep a fire going with a huge gust of wind but only a tiny twig of wood. The computer notices this imbalance and sets the code. This is a bit of a tricky one because the list of causes is long. It could be anything from a vacuum leak, which is very common, to a tired fuel pump or a faulty oxygen sensor. Since it is happening at idle, my money is usually on a vacuum leak. This is where unmetered air sneaks into the engine through a cracked hose or a loose gasket, bypassing the sensors that are supposed to measure airflow. To find it, you need to turn detective. With the engine running, listen for a hissing sound. You can even carefully spray a little carburetor cleaner around the intake hoses. If the engine speed suddenly changes, you have found your leak. Do not forget to check the simple stuff first, like your oil filler cap or the dipstick. Believe it or not, if those are not sealed tight, air can get in and confuse the system. Also, check your PCV valve and the hose connecting to your brake booster. If those rubber parts are old and cracked, they are prime suspect. While this might seem overwhelming, taking it step by step often reveals a simple 50-cent hose is causing all that shaking. Fix that leak, and your car will go back to purring like a kitten at the stoplights.